Welcome to this quick guide on managing your reward programs in the Orbitz app. If you're a frequent traveler, linking your airline, hotel, or car rental loyalty accounts to Orbitz can streamline your bookings and ensure you never miss out on valuable perks. Steps to save your reward program. First, open the Orbitz app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right. Then scroll down until you find the Reward Program section. Tap on it to proceed. After that, you'll be prompted to select the type of reward program you wish to add. Choose from options like Flight, Stay, or Car. Following this, tap on Continue to move to the next step. Now, a list of compatible reward programs will appear. Select the program you want to link. Next, enter your membership number or account ID associated with the chosen reward program. Finally, tap on Save to link the program to your Orbitz account. Your reward program is now saved. By saving your reward programs in the Orbitz app, you can enjoy a more personalized and rewarding travel experience. No need to remember multiple account details. Orbitz keeps everything in one place. Happy travels!